Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Bronco Badlands. The exterior color is agate black, and under the hood is a 2.7-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps and engine block heater. And over to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in can-cook tires as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2023 Bronco also comes with a remote start as well as a remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with a reversing system and our spare tire. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features from power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, and over our steering column be our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our crucial options on the left and our median hands-free option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking over our center face, the options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, application, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating entire cabin. Alongside that, you have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford Bronco Badlands, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.